This is one of those walk away moments that I talked about. Hey, just walk away. Well, I'm about to not do that. I'm about to mess with this a little bit more, and I'm probably gonna regret it, and I probably should just walk away, but I thought I'd record it at the same time. So let's see if I'm gonna regret this or not. If you look closely at this, you'll see that I have a big bump right here, and you can really see it from the other side. You can't see it from this side too much, but you can see it from this side. I need a lot more fill right there, and I don't want to have to three-coat this. I don't want to have to coat it. This mud's a little, and notice I've got the blisters because I'm on the painted surface and stuff, but I can take care of those tomorrow. But this here is too much of a fill to just do it once and be done. So I'm going to try to get a little bit more mud here. Let's see what happens. So my mud is relatively thin. It is relatively thin. You know what? I'm going to focus. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you can see it. And hopefully you got a good shot at this. Yes, you do. So now you can see the bump. You can see the hump there. So that's what I want to do. I'm going to try to fill that in a little bit more. Like I said, my mud is relatively thin. So I'm really going to just pile that mud in. And bummer. I should just walk away, Ray. Should just heed my sayings, but that's it. That's got a lot more mud in it right now. Do I dare? Let's see if I can touch this maybe and fix that a little bit. You know what? That's not too bad. I'm gonna have to sand this out before I skim. But okay, all right. So now I got a lot of mud here, but I can grind this down. There's enough mud there, I can grind this down and make that flat. So, guys, have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.